Are you tired of bulky blenders that take up lots of counter space and are a pain to clean? Look no further than the Magic Bullet Blender Small. This compact and efficient blender is perfect for all your blending needs, from smoothies to soups. The Magic Bullet Blender Small's powerful motor can easily blend fruits, vegetables, and ice, creating smooth and delicious concoctions in seconds. And with its compact size, it's easy to store in even the smallest of kitchens. But that's not all. The Magic Bullet Blender Small also comes with a variety of attachments for even more versatility. From a blade for grinding coffee beans to a mixer for whipping cream, this blender can do it all. So if you're looking for a reliable and versatile blender that won't take up too much space, look no further than the Magic Bullet Blender Small. Order yours today and start enjoying all the delicious creations you can make.